Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. This is the Bartesian Premium Cocktail Maker, an intelligent drink machine that mixes bar-quality cocktails at the push of a button. In this video, I'll break down the good and the bad so you can decide if it's worth it. The good starts with simplicity. Just load one of the Bartesian cocktail capsules, choose your preferred drink strength, and press mix. The system automatically draws the right amount of liquor from its built-in reservoirs. No measuring, no mess. Each capsule contains fresh juice concentrates, bitters, and extracts, designed by professional mixologists. That means you can make everything from margaritas to whiskey sours or old fashions in under 30 seconds. It's perfect for parties or relaxing at home, offering variety without the need to stock multiple mixers. All you need is your choice of whiskey, rum, vodka, gin, or tequila. The Bartesian does the rest. Maintenance is easy too. The machine automatically runs a cleaning cycle after every use, and the parts are dishwasher safe. It's compact, looks elegant on any counter, and the capsules are freshness dated and recyclable. On the downside, you'll need to buy the capsules separately, which adds ongoing cost, and they can be a bit pricey compared to mixing your own. Also, the machine requires regular refilling of the liquor reservoirs, so it's not fully hands-off. So, is it worth it? If you love cocktails and want bar-quality drinks at home without the effort, the Bartesian Premium Cocktail Maker delivers. It's fun, convenient, and perfect for entertaining, especially with the holidays and Black Friday deals around the corner. Check the description for the link to see the latest prices and possible discounts. And as always, do your own research before buying. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.